Okay, I'm going to be doing a little bit of scripting in Accela for to check whether or not an arborist final inspection has been completed before the building final can be scheduled. So, the actual ticket that I got says in detail here, it says, do not allow a final building inspection to be scheduled until the final arborist inspection is passed and or if the required MEP inspections have not been scheduled. Alright, I'm going to take this kind of in two parts, and I may just show you the first part because it's going to take a little bit of time, I think, to test it for this video, unless you want this video to be an hour long. But this part I'm going to wait. I'm just going to do this first, and I'll show you how to do that. So, our Atlanta's Accela scripting is still done by standard choices, and the standard choice scripts kind of look like this. So you have a condition here. So you'd say, like, if this is true, if this part is true, and then the caret divides up what to do if it is true, and then you can actually have another caret after that and say to do run this if it's false. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. So right now I'm looking at this ISB is inspection schedule before event, and this will run on all building record types. So I want to what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it check for, if I look at my documentation here for functions that are built in, this is the one I'm going to be using, check inspection result. And I'm going to be putting the building final and the result of passed here. So I'm going to be using that, and I'll write the script for it. I'm not going to use check for unpaid fees. Let me look at this one here and see if I can stick it there. Building inspection prior. Okay, I think this is a better thing to do. So, what I'm going to do is add to this script. Inspection type equals, let me see what the exact name of the inspection type is. 190 building final. Okay, so if the inspection type equals 190 building final, then I'm going to have it check to see if arborist final has passed before it will allow it to schedule. So I'm going to put an if statement. Okay. Check inspection result. Okay. The check inspection result. And then I gotta see what the name of the arborist, 590 arborist final. Okay. Let's see what it returns. What is it going to return? Returns true if the inspection has a result of that. It returns false if it doesn't. Okay, that's good. So what I want to do is, instead of, this is going to return true, so I want it to actually do the opposite if it doesn't return true. So I'm going to put an exclamation point in front of it. And that should work. And then I'll say can't message equals let me say plus equals here. Our burst final has not been scheduled. The word wrap has not been scheduled or has not passed. Please, well, let's see, what do I want to say? I think I want to say, cannot schedule a building final until Arbor's final inspection has until has passed Arbor's final inspection. Yeah, okay, I'm going to try that. And then let's see. You know what? What am I doing putting it here? I need to actually put it here. And then if check inspection. So, yeah, that's better. That way I can put multiple things to do after this. Okay. Where's final inspection? Show message equals true. And cancel equals true. Okay. Now, the way I knew about this inspection type, how did, you wouldn't just know that right off the bat. That this is a variable that runs under the ISB inspection schedule before event. So how do you check that? What do you know what you can use as variables? That's a good question. Inspection schedule before. this is the main event that happens, and then it branches, eventually gets to here. So, but this is the initial one, and here's all the variables that you can use for these events. So, if I just do a search for inspection type, actually, it's going to be up here near the top somewhere. Yeah, so this is not inside of a function, so this is going to be a global variable that you can use. So this is just a for loop, so it's going to be a global variable inspection, INSP.TYPE. Alright, so let's try it. I'm going to put it in to Accela and see if it works here. I'm going to open up another tab. Okay. Add another one in here. Okay. Now let's give it a try. Make sure it's updated. And I'm going to try it. Let me see. Since I'm in support, I'm going to remove I'll tell you what, I'm not going to remove that one. I'm going to see if it'll actually let it pass first. And then I will remove the arborist final and see if it stops it. So I'm going to remove building final and then try to schedule a building final. Well, I guess I don't have to remove it since it's going to check either way. Alright, you know what? I'm going to stop this video and come back with a part 2. Alright.